What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Space Coast, more specifically Cocoa Beach. Today we're going to be checking out their Ron Jon Surf Shop location, which, fun fact, is actually the biggest surf shop in the world. I am quite a big fan of the Disney Springs location, Ron Jon Surf Shop. But obviously, because of the size of Disney Springs, they couldn't do something this absolutely massive. Absolutely massive, even from the outside. But let's go check out the inside. I don't know where to begin. So it looks like they got their own clothing brand, Ron Jon Surf Shop brand. But they also have Quicksilver, Roxy, Billabong, Vans. Just about every surf skate brand that you can possibly think of. But something that I have not seen in a store before is that you can actually, obviously you're gonna have to ask for assistance, but you can actually rent your own surfboard here from Ron Jon. It also looks like they've got some boogie boards and skateboards. So if you're not here for just merchandise and you're here for something a little bit more serious, they've got you. They also sell GoPros and accessories for the GoPro to carry along with you on your surf or skate or scuba dive adventure. You can even get a surfboard that was owned or designed, mostly, by Ron Jon himself. Fair warning, however, the prices are insane. To be honest, with good reason. I grew up on Florida beaches, okay? I'm like the most Florida man. One of them. One of the most Florida men in existence. Trust me. That being said, I can boogie board pretty decently. I've never learned to surf. I've never been scuba diving. And I'm not very good on a skateboard. As much as I would love to learn how to do all of those things, I think it's best that we stick to the merchandise. Let's go buy like a t-shirt or something. Oh nice, they sell that little tiki toss game. Essentially what you do is you just put it up on a wall and you have this ring and you're supposed to hook it onto the surfboard by throwing it. The few places I've been that actually do have that tiki toss game, I have wasted many an hour trying to get the ring to click. Oh no, this is pretty cool too. Ron Jon itself makes these little micro puzzles in these tubes. Each one of these runs at $6.99, and it looks really cool. My sunglasses case matches the design of this puzzle, actually. I got it at Disney Springs. Y'all know that Sunbum sunscreen brand? You know they made hacky sacks with the icon on it? Yeah, me neither. I love the Beach Ron Jon Surf Shop, even though they reuse designs quite a bit. Each say the location in which you got it. Like this one, for instance, is Cocoa Beach. That way, every shirt can be just a little bit different. I quite like this one. It's the 50th anniversary of us landing on the moon. I'm also starting to get really into these like all over print button downs. They just look really nice going out to dinner. You know, you can theme it to whatever restaurant. And you could fool yourself into thinking that you're fashionable even though you're just getting old. Speaking of those types of shirts, looks like they've got plenty. Quite like this Jack O'Neill fish shirt. One's at $65. This one, however, owned by RJC, is not really my style. Looks like they have plenty of these, what I would like to call the Florida man, I'm going to the beach hats. And no matter how hard I try, I just don't feel like I can pull it off. It's not me. Need a new pair of sunglasses to take to the beach? Well, it appears as if they have every brand and every style possible. You could get lost in the sea of sunglasses quite easily. As I stated at the beginning of this video, we are in fact on the Space Coast, which is nice when you find NASA merch. T-shirts, you got hats, you got Legos, you got toys, you got some more T-shirts. Ron Jon Space Guy. And I actually quite like this hat with patches. That's fun. They even have astronaut ice cream. Which, if you've never tried astronaut ice cream, it's okay. You can also find a mug with your name on it, just like you can in most touristy spots. Where am I at? There we are. Would you like to buy a thing of wind chimes? Yeah, me neither. I would, however, be tempted to buy a ukulele. Do I know how to play a ukulele? Well, fun fact, no, but I'm willing to learn. And that'll do it from our trip here to the Ron Jon Surf Shop Cocoa Beach location. But first I want to show you what we got. I got this decal because I did in fact buy a hydro flask recently and I love it. I've been drinking a lot more water. So I got this decal to put on it, a nice pirate decal. I also got a sea turtle because, fun fact, sea turtles are my favorite animal of all time. I got this shirt that, this is the back of it, it's just the brand name, and then this is the front of it. It seemed to capture both Ron Jon, the surf, and NASA, which Kennedy Space Center is actually on my list of places that I am desperately wanting to go to. Hopefully here pretty soon we will be checking that one out. And the rest is just gifts. Because I'm a generous soul and I found things that people would like. Go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. And catch you guys next time. One of these days I'll come down here and learn how to surf. And it'll be awesome.